Oh, what do we have here? Intoxicated father loses it after getting denied boarding at Orlando airport.
Just like you said, don't touch me. Yo.
Hey, yo, bro. Oh.
My daughter.
On September 17th, 2023, officers were dispatched to the airport after an intoxicated passenger forced his way onto the jet bridge after being denied boarding.
This guy right here sitting down. All right. Sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Hi. What's going on? I'm Officer Gonzalez. Apparently they called us with him.
Yeah.
What's the situation?
Well, it was a misunderstanding. We had a whole bunch of bags, stroller bag, the carriage bag, and he was trying to bring it all down the tarmac. And she said, "Are you okay? Can I help you?" And he said, "Yes."
Because I went to SeaWorld and I had mad shit.
"Yeah, I'm just trying to juggle all the bags."
Hold on, just
And
listen,
then
yo.
she started to get upset with him. Come on.
Yo, the shit's
All right,
back.
he got angry as well, which I think he got a little bit.
How you doing?
I went to Disney. I got mad shit. More than I came with. All I'm trying to do is bring it down the tarmac. Let me get on the plane. I don't even know if I'm gonna have to push my little carriage or do whatever. Yo, so what?
He's definitely hammered.
I don't give a
He was getting ready
I'm
to
not no
board.
sucker.
So he did go.
Talk to me.
He was getting ready to board.
Right.
The other supervisor realized he's humble, so she asked him if he was okay. He pulled out.
Okay.
So she told him he couldn't board, and he flipped out.
Okay. So did anybody get assaulted or anything like that, or almost? Almost, but nothing like that.
No, nobody.
So basically, he just got verbally abusive,
And
flaring, very excited.
he's not traveling.
Okay.
She can travel if she likes to put on a later flight.
But he's supposed to be traveling?
Yes.
Okay, what is his board? You got his boarding pass, his name, and all that stuff?
You guys gonna let him fly?
So he ain't traveling at
He's
all.
not traveling.
Okay.
His ticket is canceled. He's not traveling today, tomorrow, whenever. She can board. She can go
Okay.
home, but we'll have to rebook her. She's not getting on this flight. We just need
Okay.
her out
You know
here.
what? You talk to her. Explain it to her. I'm gonna talk to him. Sir, man, can you talk to him about Sir, what's it? Jarnett? Darnett, come over here. Because you got your kids here. I don't want to talk in front of your kids. Darnett, come over here, sir. Come over here. I'm Officer. Relax. Relax. Keep your hands down. Relax.
You making yourself a target before you even become one, dude. Chill out.
I'll explain to you what you just explained your wife did. I understand you went down. Here's the thing. It came very, very close to the way they're telling me they claim. I wasn't here. That you got all upset because whatever the situation is, listen, and it got to the point that one of the employees said they smell alcohol. And listen to me. You gotta understand that. Listen, sir.
Right here.
Sir.
I had a shot before I got on the plane because
Here's-
Damn, one shot do you like this? Nah, you did more than a shot, or you was pre-drinking before you got there.
airplanes anyway.
You're not when they say this is a private entity, you understand that? They say you're not gonna fly with them. Your family could fly. You're gonna have to get another airline. Okay, all right, they're gonna fly. So what I need is, do you have your boarding pass? We're gonna get you on another ticket. You're not allowed to fly. You gotta pick another airline. Okay?
No, hell no. No.
Okay. What do you mean? Hell, what do you mean? Hell no?
Either I'm going to jail.
So you want to go to jail?
Yes.
Okay.
What the fuck? Why is everybody's first reaction, I want to go to jail? Do y'all like jail that much? Is jail that fun?
Another airline's not gonna let him go.
He's talking about, yo, we got to fly on another airline.
Yes, it's fine. So we go outside. You need to keep it.
Nah, let's go. Let's go.
Stay right there.
Bro, I did nothing.
I try to, ma'am,
I
let me
did
come over here.
nothing.
Let me explain to you because he's not
He
really
just explained
listening.
to me. He just explained.
Here's the situation. Whatever the situation was, we weren't
I
out there.
completely understand. I
Well,
get it.
they
He
said
told
they
me.
smell alcohol.
But he got it from right
admitted.
here.
He admitted. When you go on the aircraft, they don't want you to be intoxicated. You could do. They felt that he's intoxicated because his behavior, the way he's acting right now, you see, they don't want him to fly because it's dangerous.
That's fine.
Okay, so they told him that he has to get another flight. You can fly with the kids. They're not
Another
stopping
flight.
you, but he has to go. So I'm trying to explain that to him, and he's like flaring up.
No,
Do
you
not
don't
put your hands on me.
Listen.
At least there's one responsible parent in this relationship.
Why can't you just chill? Don't touch these police officers.
Yo, man.
We're from Boston where they black people every day. Stop playing these games with me out here. I'm getting
Stop
really
yelling.
upset. Let's get out this airport now.
Everybody's
Let's go.
gonna wind up going some places they don't want to go.
Let's go. I gotta get my kids
Okay.
out of here. This is too
I
much. Y'all
never
can
meant
listen.
no
I gotta go.
disrespect to you. Hold on. Even if we
So,
go.
this is what's gonna happen.
I never meant no
We
disrespect to
understand
you.
what's gonna happen. We don't need
That's
to talk
fine.
no more. Can we leave?
That's cool.
Okay,
Can
then
we
gather-
leave? They gave me a
please.
shot right here.
Baby, it's fine.
You don't want to fly by yourself? You want to get another
They're
airline?
saying I can't fly on this one anyway, right?
Not this
Oh,
airline.
it
No.
just let, no. They told me that she could fly.
They're not gonna make this plane.
Oh, so you
This
guys
plane's
got to
already
schedule
getting
another
ready to
flight.
go.
Okay.
They're gonna
So
have
do
to
I have to
reboard.
call? Do I have to?
You're gonna have to either
Go to the desk
you
at
can
front?
try dealing with them. More than likely, you're gonna have to go back. What was it, Jeff?
Oh my God, bro. Just shut up. You're making it worse.
Go back to the front.
I would suggest that you go back to the counter.
That's fine. I'm okay.
But he needs to calm down.
And then I came and had one shot, and she
You don't need to drink no more then if you can't handle your liquor.
She's determined.
She's gonna get.
She's determined.
What?
They could rebook another flight here this evening. Let me find out.
I'm not saying nothing. I can't smoke cigarettes in here. I told you.
You can't smoke cigarettes in no airport, stupid.
Okay. Come on, baby. Let's go. In the carriage.
I told you, dog. I'm really with the shit, dog.
Hey.
It's cool. I go to jail.
For what? What do you need to go to jail for? Because you're being an
Cause
idiot.
I'm supposed to be on that plane.
But you're not getting on that plane, so it's over. None of us is getting on the plane. Our baby is sick and needs to go home, and you're making a scene. So now we need to go to the emergency.
Keep playing.
What?
Yeah.
No, this kid's not on me. His gun is right here. Chill.
Nah, he got his hand on his taser. I'm smart.
Baby, can we get out of here? Please go. Can you walk to the gate?
He gotta have some type of mental illness, bro.
I'm smart, dog. Oh my God! I'd rather face a judge.
For what though?
What up? Can I come out?
Okay, you can come out. Come
What
on.
up?
Come on, sir.
Touch me? Just like you said, don't touch me. Yo.
Oh my goodness! My daughter!
Hey. It's over, guy. It's over. Just relax. Just relax.
Put your hands back.
It's okay. Just relax.
He is the best parent a child could have. What a fucking idiot.
Dude, sir, it's over. Okay? Relax. Stop resisting, sir. Okay?
Yo.
It's over. You're not going
Yo,
anywhere.
push it back in, babe.
Put your hands behind your back.
There you go. Put your hands back.
Push it back in. I'm not resisting. I don't want my daughter to see it.
Then put your hands behind your back.
That's cool.
Okay?
I could have fought y'all. I could have won.
But you didn't fight them.
It's
I did.
it's okay. It's okay. It's done. Take your hand
Yo,
out.
do not roll me like this.
Okay, so take your other hand out.
All right, I got
All right. It's over.
There you go.
Do all of this.
There you
Girl, shut up. Cause you can't even control your man. Shut up. Shut the fuck up.
go.
me like this.
I didn't dip both.
There you go.
It's fine.
Got him? Secure?
I'm not saying that. Here, give that lighter to my wife.
That's his
Give
fault.
that to my daughter.
That's his property.
Give that to my daughter.
That's a price. Here.
I wasn't fighting y'all. I was mad at
But
y'all.
why would y'all make him come through a door that you know that he can't come through
He could come
without
through it.
security about to attack him when he came through it? That don't make no sense. Y'all should have came through the door first.
I didn't want my daughter to see that, yo. No, you did me dirty. Bitch ass.
Come on, D. Stop.
I swear to God.
Stop.
I told you.
Pull me up. Stand up. Pull me up. There you go. Stand up.
Just right here, put my cards here.
Yeah, no problem.
Man, you have to do identification?
I'm sorry.
Some people don't deserve kids, bro. They really don't.
His wallet is right here.
His ID is there? Oh,
His
let
wallet.
me get it. All I need is ID. You can take everything else.
Thank you.
Are you gonna give it back to me?
Yeah, I'm gonna get back to him.
I promise.
Do you have his boarding pass?
Nigga, you ain't got nothing. Don't give him nothing. Nothing. They got a public defender just like every other court. Don't give them nothing. I don't even know him. Y'all wouldn't survive in Boston. Y'all niggas wouldn't survive in Boston. Wherever we gotta go, where we going? This way? This way? I'm going the right way?
Yep, you're going the right way.
Oh ass nigga.
Thank you.
Bitch ass Frank. Frank's and broccoli. Frank's and broccoli. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't care. You don't understand.
This could have been avoided too. That's the crazy thing about this whole situation.
I don't care. I haven't been arrested in years. This is like gonna be the first one.
That's something to brag on?
I might need drug cartel. Whole ass.
Here we go.
Look at that. Right here. This one. Here we go. Which one? Which one? Come on. Come on. Come on. Whole ass. I did something wrong. Search this guy good. Go ahead, search me good. Search me good.
Wait. What you mean by search you good? Why do you want them to do that? Wait a minute. What? What the P. Diddy?
Good. Suck my balls while you doing it. What up?
Why would you want another man to do that?
Real. What up? Can you get that to my wife?
Of course.
Boom. Yo, you don't even gotta check nothing in. Get that to my wife right there. Whole ass.
Go ahead.
I don't do.
Does he have his wedding? What is his wedding?
Yeah. His wife has a wedding ring. Can you get that to my wife?
Of course.
Right now. Right now. And I'll calm down.
Have a seat, please.
You already got put in jail. I mean, it don't matter if you calm down tonight, you still got arrested.
Hands on you?
Like I said. Hold on.
Have a seat,
Hold on.
please.
I need to put my pants on.
Go ahead.
Get them all the way. That's good enough.
Watch your head.
I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Huh?
I'm gonna put your seatbelt on, okay?
How you gonna do that? If you put my seatbelt on, can you put me in front?
No. Our county seatbelt's right here.
Nah, you don't put no seatbelt on me. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Alright, can you loosen this cuff?
No.
He was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, attempted resisting an officer with violence, and disorderly conduct. Share your thoughts in the comments below.
What a dumbass. That's my comment right there. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.